Ulat gejala UCH Vijaya Shankar ubadang Shuan Thamai, ulaong ba ulalum jingtep baga Jaitbynriew, Khasi, kadon kasensyar kababaha. Hagaju kapor ulapan pauru ya gajing sngau Kyndit bahaga Jaitbynriew Khasi, ki kenthei ki yo ya kakardan kaba shakmat baha ban Shynrang, haba usyong kurim, Leit sa Ïing ka kenthei khamtam ka khun khadu. Haba keren hagajing lang lingkot hamau plang, hagajing wan jungo jung u ya ka lau kentang, menta ka lai tarik nai luar haja arpesaw, ulat ulaong baka nega jinglong kerpang ki beriau haga nega jala kamdan satya haga jala jong u ula kentu ban penne pensa yaka.
Moreover, I came to know that also Honorable CM and rest of the people belongs to here. You have to make it clear to me. Whatever I have been heard after coming here, this much I came to know. This is a female-dominated society. Is it true? It is a female-dominated society. But in our area, it is not like that. We are first, women next. But here in Meghalaya, it is not like that. It is a female-dominated society. They have been respected more than men. Shows the beauty of the society. And one more thing I have to make it very clear, that also you people enlighten me. Here, the property rate, ancestors' property rate, ultimately it goes to the youngest daughter of the family. Is it so? Is it so? Is it true? Yes. Yes, ultimately the youngest daughter of the family, she is going to be the owner of the entire property, ancestral property. In our area, even you cannot imagine. You cannot think of it. You cannot think of it. And particularly in that way, we have to think very seriously beauty of the nature here. And one more thing I am very proud to say, I have to study a few more, and you being senior persons, you have to enlighten me in that way. Some of the senior men, as soon as I had come here as a governor of Meghalaya, after taking my oath, some of the senior men, he had come to me, just only it was a courtesy call. He being a senior person, when I was talking to him, casually, by that time he made me one thing clear. You see, Mr. Governor, you go anywhere in any part of Meghalaya, show me even a single beggar. Show me even a single beggar. You won't find even a single beggar. You go anywhere in any part of Meghalaya. It is not any joke. It shows the self-respect. How much you people command. Self-respect. You have given more priority to that other than any other issues. Self-respect. Things should not command to us. We have to command these things. This is the actually, it shows your way of life. Way of life.